Hi everyone, my name is Trisa, you can call me Risa. Welcome to Anju Risa channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a face mask with filter pocket for kids and adults. The first thing is to prepare the pattern. I'll put the link to this pattern in the description below. This pattern is for adult women. I'll show you how to modify the pattern for kids size. We need to make the pattern smaller for kids. Measure about ½ inches or 1 centimeter around the pattern like this. So this is the pattern for kids. I'll cut this pattern. I made this for my 2 years old and it suits him very well. But you can modify the size if you think this is too small. And there you go, the size for kids is ½ inch smaller than the size for women. Now to make the pattern for adult men, add a ¼ inch or ½ centimeter from the pattern. Measure around the pattern and add a ¼ inch. I made one for my daddy too and it fits him. And once again, you can modify the size if you think this is too small or too big. Cut the pattern. And this is the pattern for adult men. That's how to modify the pattern. This is for adult women, this is for kids, and this is for adult men. I will make the mask for women, so I'll put these aside. Prepare the fabric. I'm using cotton fabric. Fold the fabric with the front sides together. And this fabric should be larger than your pattern. You can use any fabric you want, as long as it's comfortable for you. Draw the curvy part on the back side of fabric. So the curved part we just draw. Place the pattern, and I will cut the pattern by adding ½ inch or 1 centimeter for the seam allowance. Next, I want to open the seam here, so I will iron the fabric. Once again on the back side. Prepare 3 pieces with the same size. I'm using different pattern for the filter pocket. Fold about ¾ inch or 2 centimeter and cut out the fabric. Next, I will fold the fabric twice, about ½ inch or 1 centimeter, and iron the fabric once again. Now I will sew these parts. We are going to join all fabrics together. Take the filter pocket and put it inside one fabric. Take the other fabric and turn it inside out. Now pin all fabrics together. Sew this part. Clip the center. So the fabrics won't be too bulky when we turn it inside out. Turn the fabric inside out. If the filter pocket turns out like this, you have to turn it over. Now it's beautiful. Next is to iron the fabric. The key to making a beautiful face mask is to iron the fabric before sewing. Tuck this fabric inside, about ½ inch or 1 centimeter. Prepare an elastic band. You can use any size. Smaller elastic is more comfortable. I use 5 inches for my 2 years old and 6½ inches for my daddy. My size is about 5½ inches, but some people say my face is a bit small, so you may want to add ½ inch. I will put the elastic here and make sure the elastic isn't twisted. If you want to insert a nose wire, you can insert it now from here and pin the nose wire. Then sew this part. But because this face mask fits me very well and I really like the shape, I don't want to use a nose wire. So I'll take this out and sew this part about 1 mm to have a nice finish. You can insert any sort of filter material to this face mask, or you can comment down below which filter material you recommend to put inside this mask. And our face mask is ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, give me a thumbs up and share this video. If you don't, just hit the dislike button and comment down about what you don't like about this video. Or perhaps if you have any question, write in the comment below. See you in my next video. Bye!